What's that? It's a big rat on the floor. Resembles a Scooby dog. You sleeping, Scooby? Scooby's sleeping. With his eyes open. Hey, look at him. Alright, so I looked at the lifter blocks here, make sure the lifter bores are still good after all that metal that went through them. So they look like they feel alright when I run my fingers through them. You can see a little bit of wear on them, but they feel alright. So we'll go with those. Make sure everything feels alright. Should be usable. Find them? No, they were laying right by the front wheel where they were before. You forget where they were? It feels like it's hard as a rock in there. Jeez. This side's smooth, that's as hard as a rock.
Fumes.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's too bad. Not too good either. Were you getting motor oil inside of your primer?
My bike never had no leaks.
Oh, this was leaked from this chamber to this chamber. Water to trying to primer. Seal's hard as a rock. It might work though. Yeah, there's lifters. Look at this wonderful wear pattern on those. Come out the other side. That's a good sign. All right, throw them over there. Want to replace the seal or leave it?
If it's bad, replace it.
Oh, you want to replace stuff now.
If it's bad.
If it's bad.
My bike never leaked.
It never leaked. Well, let's put it this way. That one got a little drag on it. About that much. Not much. What year's the bike?
11.
That's probably how old that seal is. You're in charge. Don't screw up. I'm going to use a James gasket set with a 36 head gasket. So again, a little bit of compression for free.
Wow. Y'all heard that?
You heard what the free part?
Yeah. Free say compression for free.
Even give you a holding tray, look at that. And the gasket board. What more can you ask for? Oh, let me leave that instructions on how not to do it. We'll make sure we read that tomorrow if we're taking a dump on the toilet. We'll read that. You know when you do it?
I don't read on the toilet.
Alright, there's a new seal. No rings. What's this do? I've never seen that before. It's a rubber. Sure, it's important. Number 4, but something. Oh, and the lot's not nearly as firm as yours. There. So on this one, see, it doesn't quite just fall through like yours. See?
It's actually tight.
A little different. Good to go. Leave it.
Whatever you think.
You gotta blow the motor up anyway, doesn't matter. How you can get that out without hurting this, so that's the problem.
We'll just leave it then.
I'm not sure how I'm going to get that thing out of there without permanently screwing junk up. I could probably beat on it with a big hammer. See the piece of crap that fell in there? I saw that when I came around. Yeah. What's that? So you didn't take all the stuff off of here when you clean the case up? This was your job. See that?
So I failed at my job.
Yep. That's the factory sealer. See factory utensil. So it looks good. My bench got dirty though. I'm trying not to lay anything on here because if you short these out, it'll burn up.
Gotcha.
So don't lay it on a table like that without supporting and protecting it. Got it? Where's your protection thing at? Your gasket board.
Oh,
What's the new name of this now?
protected thing.
Stator protector.
Stator protector.
There you go. See? Free.
Free game, basically.
That's two things you got for free for doing. Pretty good, huh? If you get here behind this with a big ass hammer. About right there. How about that spot right there? I think there's a hole in it now. I'm pretty sure it's bad now. Ooh. Ooh. Oop. What happened?
Came through.
It came. Look at those marks that the protectors did. It protected it. It did its job. Pretty good, huh? I'm thinking it was going to leak right there. Wherever that guy poked that screwdriver through there. See, look at the big screwdriver marks.
Some jerk did it.
Some dumbass did that. That thing's no good now. It's a good thing we got an extra one here. Look at it, I didn't even scratch it or anything. See, you clean a case, you still had all that oil in there. See? How many times did we clean that case?
Twice.
I cleaned it twice too, so that's 4 times. Oh geez, that fell right through. No, it doesn't. Okay, now we gotta push this in there and make it work. Let's go in this direction. It goes in this way. You know why it goes in that way?
Why?
Because this rubber thing here, you would push it right off, you push it in this direction.
Gotcha.
If you push it in that way, you push it until it hits against that edge. And then when you push that down, recess it into the case, you get a nice seal up around it. I just did one of those earlier, so I know. At least I think that's what that's all about. I didn't read the instructions. Did you read those instructions yet?
Sure didn't.
Good. We're all over those instructions. Someone said I had to read the service book once too. I was all over that also. What about that? You like that one? I like that one. How about this one? How about that? You like that one? I don't know if that'll go in or not. Nope, that's not big enough. That's the one. Perfect. I knew I had one. Now can we press the seal in without breaking the case?
Sure we can.
Or the case is weak enough they're going to break. Give it 50-50 chance. It is a twin cam. See that fill up. The big one first, because it pushes straight. Like butter. That was only like 1 ton. Okay, now we could go below the surface slightly, but not very far. See how kind of self-centered as it went in? There you go. Maybe just a tick further. Not that much. See, we're below the chamfer now. We're in a straight section. Think that'll work?
Mm-hmm.
Washer fall out yet?
No.
Good. I was worried about that. All right, look out. This again? Stator protector.
Stator protector.
Move cap. Okay. What else do we got? No O-rings on this one, right? O-rings over here. Okay. Guess we're not done with that yet. We need the O-rings to go around these. You got them?
They should be in the little pallet you have.
How about that?
No.
Sure.
Positive.
How about those little ones? Probably too
Perfect.
small. Probably too small. These big fat ones. I don't see any lip to seal against. I don't think they use an O-ring on this one. So there's no receiver place for a O-ring. Thought I took O-rings out though. What'd your book say?
Let's get the book.
Get the book? You got a book? Silicone crap on here. You didn't clean this one out either. Look at all this crap everywhere. Yes.
It's pretty much self-explanatory.
Right there, gray crap.
Yikes.
Is that a thread or is that sealer? Could be both. Another big pile. Look at that. All right. I see no way to put an O-ring on that. I see no evidence of an O-ring in there either. I just see evidence of super snot. You'd have to have a receiver for an O-ring if you're going to put an O-ring in there. See any receiver in there?
Mm.
That. No provision for an O-ring. Alright, no more O-rings. No O-ringing. Okay, what other no O-rings do we not need? Look at that burrs right there. Crap sticking up. Okay, I see no reason to put O-rings anywhere. Good, saves me time. I've already wasted it. Okay, where is your bolts? I'm guessing these are the bolts. That's good. Okay. How rusty is this? See that right there?
Yeah.
What's that?
Extra like gunk on it. It's not good.
What if I knock it off a little bit like that? So now the roller will at least roll across it. Imperfection. Ooh, there's a big one right there. Looks good. What about this side? Ooh, look at those rust marks. Rust. See, that's acid etching. That's where the bearings come apart. See that right there?
Gotcha.
Little spot. That's a pothole in the middle of the road. It's a good thing that's not anywhere near the bearing area. See, that one isn't. That one's right in the middle of the bearing. Oh well. Some more over here, but that's on the edge, so it's probably okay. Yeah, the one on the bottom's bad. This is good. Okay, how true is this crank?
How true is it?
Yeah.
Not too much play.
Make sure all the important parts fit. Not too dry, is it? Except for the rust in there, I'm sure it's fine. Well, we need to see how true this is, because it might be all warped to hell. Because you didn't check it, did you?
No.
Okay, we'll be back in a minute. We'll go check it.